Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today I'm going to be taking you through this used Bennington 23R that we just got on trade here. Just going to do a quick walkthrough of this guy here. Right away we're going to look at the exterior. Got some nice tan and black coloring on the panels here. You got that silver panel lining as well. And you see the integrated docking lights and the nav lights up front here. It's a nice little touch. And you can see that flooring on the exterior as well. That continues on the interior. As we walk back here, you can see more of that panel design. On the back, we got a Evinrude 250 horsepower on here. And you can see the nice swim platform. You got a lot of space back here. You got speakers that also faced aft to give you some sound in the back. And you can also see the rear-facing seating here. It does have the railing up there, so it does make it legal to ride in the back here in Minnesota, as long as you got that gate closed as well. It's a nice touch to have you be able to lounge out while you're in motion. All right, so that's everything on the exterior here. Let's go up and take a look at the interior features. All right, welcome to the interior of this Bennington pontoon. Right away, we're gonna take a look at the door here that does come up. Come back down like so, locks into place. And then look on the bow area here, you got a spacious seating area, some really comfortable upholstery. Just sit down, you can feel how soft that is as well, with a nice Bennington logo there too. Nice little touch. Got accents of brown and tan all throughout the seating here. And if you look below, you got kicker audio. This audio is found throughout the boat. You got a bunch of speakers in here, and you can control that at the helm. As we walk a little bit farther, you can see more of that seating in the back here. You do actually have an adjustable backrest here on the back seating, so you can push it aft and you can have it forward facing seating, or you can do the opposite direction, have it back facing seating, however you want to use it. You actually do have a head unit in the back as well for that kicker audio, so if you want to adjust that while lounging out in the back, have that option as well. And also you do have storage under all of these seats here up in the bow as well. And since this is a tri-tune, you do have option of some storage in the center tune here as well. Gives you some more options. And along all of these loungers, you got armrests with cup holders inside of them as well. All right, coming up to the helm. A nice helm seat here with a bolster. Makes it that much easier to see if you want to sit up a little bit higher, see in front of your passengers. Sit down here. You got your typical gauges here, and you do have a SIMRAD display screen on the starboard side as well if you wanted to use that for any other engine diagnostics or even navigation. There's that kicker audio head unit we mentioned earlier. A few flip controls for lights, anything else you might need to use that for, horn as well. Got a cup holder on the right side, and you got your throttle there as well. All right, so this was the used Bennington we just got on trade here. If you want to come take a look at this is available at our Rogers store. Just feel free to give us a call or walk right in, make an appointment. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. Putting out videos every day. Thanks.